What's up guys, here's Claudio from Visualmodo WordPress themes, and in today's video you're gonna learn how to create animations like this for your website into a simple, fast, effective and free way, okay? It's a secret site, an online library full of components that you can customize. Just go to Google and type Originkit, just like this. Go to this first result. I recommend that you create an account. It's free, but you can use all for free. So imagine that you like this animation right here and would like to use. Click on it. Here is the animation. You can set on or off, up to you. You can change the zoom level. You can change the colors, and you can change as many things as you wish, according to your needs, okay? After having the image into the needs you want, here is some example of usage. Fancy, right? Fancy, really fancy. And you can preview this, you can copy this entire code in the case that you want. You can create your API key to copy the code. Or in the case that you just want the element, you can click on copy, copy the code, and code has been copied, okay? And you can implement this on your site. You can also export the image in the case that you want. Simple, right? There is other elements that you can play with. Here is one of my favorites. And you have the bridge review effect as well. You can change the text into the right side of your screen and customize the colors and everything that you want. There is some other one that is really fancy. It's very interesting how the things works. So here's the guy. Imagine that you would like to create a grid of your social media accounts, okay? You can do this right here. You can change the elements, for example, customizing the URL or removing the URL or adding a new logotype with a new URL right here. Nice, right? And of course, you can export this into some section of your site to be a fancy way to share your social medias. Nice, right? There is many elements that you can explore and you can enjoy. Nice, right? Let me show you a next one. Here is in a grid view, other related elements into the left side of my screen that you can explore. Nice, right? And if you like the way that works, just copy. There is an API that you can explore, framer, code, and CD, okay? And that is. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. It's on beta version, so you can explore the things here. And of course, you can enjoy. Let me know into the comments if you like it. If you think the element is useful, there is some options into live websites that you can explore. Here is a fancy hero section, don't you think? If you like this, you can copy the layout, okay? Of course, you're going to need to create your API key to use the AI prompt or copy the contents. And that is. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Feel free to use the comment section below in the case that you have any question. And I'll see you guys tomorrow. All the best!